Swayam Prabha. Digital India. Educated India.
Calling them differently abled might sound motivating. But what is better is that if we can help them lead a normal life despite a disability. This is exactly what a startup called New Motion is doing.
This was around 5 years back. We met around 250 odd wheelchair users across the country. And that's where we realized that most of the wheelchair users are facing two major problems. Number one, for their indoor mobility, the wheelchairs that they are using are one size fits all. It's basically a one-sized wheelchair which is oversized, and a child, middle-aged, elderly, person with spinal cord injury, polio, different kinds of diagnosis. Everybody is forced to use one type of wheelchair. Now, because of that, it's causing back pain, causing shoulder pain, since it is not customized to their bodies, because of which it is not being utilized as a mobility device. So that was the first problem, that wheelchairs are not customized, they are one size fits all. And the second problem that we saw was the problem of independent outdoor mobility. So today, if a person on a wheelchair wants to go out, like they want to go to school, they want to go to college, they want to go to work, they want to go to an office, today they need to call a second person, they need to call for help them get onto a car, help them get onto a vehicle, also take help in folding the wheelchair, putting it inside the vehicle. So there is a lot of dependency involved. Because of this dependency, they feel sometimes less, there's a issue of confidence, there's an issue of always asking for help, they feel sort of embarrassed to ask for help all the time, and because of the number of steps involved for the outdoor mobility, they are just trapped at home, sitting in the four walls of their homes. So the problem of indoor customized mobility and the problem of independent outdoor mobility is what we identified, and we created our two solutions to solve the same. So I'll explain the products in a little brief. So this is the NeoFly wheelchair. It is a manual customized wheelchair. It is made according to the body measurements. So when we say body measurements, it's the width of the wheelchair, the depth of the wheelchair, the backrest height, the backrest angle, the footrest height, the angle of the wheel. So all these 18 customizations, we totally customize. The kind of tires, the kind of push rims, the kind of caster wheels, all these are the component customizations that you do, so that, as you can see, I have the right posture, I have the right fitting, it's not oversized for me, it is not tight for me, and I'm able to create a good posture so that I can work for long hours, I can work on the table, and now because it is customized, it makes it very easy to propel this wheelchair. It makes it agile, it makes it very easy to turn and move it around, move it in narrow spaces, move it around with very much agility, I would say. And then everybody wants to go out, right? Everybody wants to go to a park, they want to go to the school, they want to go to a college. So now when I want to go out, I will bring the NeoFly in front of the NeoBolt. There are clamps and a locking system that is provided in the NeoFly and the NeoBolt. To lock this, I will bring the NeoBolt closer to my NeoFly, bring the pin into the locking mechanism, and then push it forward. So now the first stage locking is completed. and you see that the two wheels, these two wheels are now in the air. So now this becomes a three-wheel system. The front wheel and the two wheels are the only wheels that are touching the ground. For additional safety, we have a second lock which ensures that this is completely fail-safe. NeoBolt is a battery, it's an e-vehicle, it's a battery-powered vehicle. So I switch on the battery using the key, switch on the system, and then now it becomes a scooter. So the combination of NeoFly and the NeoBolt is a completely roadworthy scooter. You can use it on roads, in villages, in rugged terrains. You can take this in the metro trains. People have taken this. There's a person who's driven this from Kanyakumari to Kashmir. So there are a lot of possibilities that open up because of the independent mobility of these two systems. And then, just like any other bike, it has a horn, it has a headlight for your night travel. There is a speedometer that shows you the speed, that shows you how much battery is there in the system, how much distance the system has run till now. It has a reverse gear, it has a parking feature. So this is helpful because once we enter an elevator, once आप एक कोई lift के अंदर जाते हो या elevator के अंदर घुसते हो, once you enter an elevator, you can press the reverse and come out of the elevator with absolute ease. So that makes it very convenient for a person. And then once I reach my destination, once I am ready to go inside my house, I will unlock the NeoBolt. In a matter of 10 seconds, I will switch off the battery with the key and then press this lever. And like you saw, in 10 seconds, I detach my NeoBolt and now I'm again going to use this as a indoor mobility wheelchair. Take it inside my house and do whatever I want. Since this is a battery operated vehicle, the battery requires charging, but the charging also can be done absolutely independently by the user itself. So the key, you use the key to unlock the battery, and then the battery is a removable, swappable battery. So I can remove this battery, take it inside, put it on charge, I can bring it back after charging, and then again slide it inside, and that's it. I can start using it again. So the entire design and use case has been thought of so that a person can live an absolute independent life. You don't have to depend on anyone. अपना आत्मनिर्भर जिंदगी आप इससे जिए. You don't have to depend on your mother, your parents, your brothers, sisters. They also then have their own time. Many times what happens is because a person on a wheelchair is dependent on someone, their time is also utilized, their income is also utilized. But now once I become independent, they are also independent, they are able to do whatever they want to do, and overall the entire family lives a more mentally well-built lifestyle. So that's what we are trying to bring here with this.
मेरा 2011 में दोस्त के कंधे पर से गिरने के कारण मेरा शरीर पैरालिसिस हो गया था. इस व्हीलचेयर प्रयोग करने के बाद आसानी से हम कहीं भी जा सकते हैं, आ सकते हैं. पहले हम व्हीलचेयर से हम जो मैराथन करते थे उसमें बहुत ज़्यादा समय लगता था. इस व्हीलचेयर के प्रयोग करने के बाद टाइमिंग है वो बहुत कम हो गया. एक गाड़ी आती है जो कि इस व्हीलचेयर में आसानी से हम सेट कर सकते हैं और गाड़ी सेट करने के बाद हम आसानी से बाहर जा सकते हैं, कम स्पेस में जा सकते हैं और कहीं भी पार्किंग कर सकते हैं और गांव में चला सकते हैं. अगर गड्ढे ऊंचे नीचे हैं तो आसानी से चला सकते हैं. अभी हमको कोई डर नहीं है, हम कहीं भी जा सकते हैं.
Significant guidance from their mentors at IIT Madras and financial support from the government helped them in their journey forward.
So the kind of motivation and the support that we got in terms of, the funds, in terms of facilities, in terms of fabrication facilities, in terms of going for the test drives, going for feedback. So all that support really motivated us that yes, if we have an idea, we have an opportunity to put that idea into an actual physical product. From the government, we got the Imprint grant. The Imprint grant helped us in the initial testing, initial prototypes, initial R&D that we did at IIT Madras. So all that we were supported by the Imprint grant. Definitely IIT Madras, we were supported through a soft loan, we were supported through fabrication, we were supported with stipends. I mean, we all left our jobs, but then we were still provided some financial support. So all that really helped us actually get this idea into actual physical sustenance. And the Imprint grant was of absolute need. It came at the right time, at the right support.
This startup has given new motion to their stagnant lives, and now they are living a normal life like any other individual, and in fact, better than many others.
Go to the grocery shop or to the supermarket. Now my wife is going to kick my backside and I have no excuses absolutely.